abang-abang lang Katrobox kung anong presentation ngayon, kung ano yung mapupulot natin, kung paano magkaroon ng investment sa Pilipinas o kaya property. So abang-abang lang. Mga kaibigan ko dyan na mga kaedad ko. Pera nyo hindi gastusin nyo na, pera nyo hindi nyo madadala sa libingan. Pakasarap na kayo, hindi na kayo ng mga property sa Pilipinas. Dahil hindi nyo madadala kahit isang dakot na lupa o ano man yan, hindi mo madadala sa kwan, sa hukay. Magpakasaya na kayo, bumili na kayo ng property sa Pilipinas. Mga investment at least siguro mga $120,000 parang isang luxury car lang yan. Diba? O bumili ka na rin ng luxury car mo kasi di mo nga, sabi ko nga sa'yo, hindi mo madadala yung pera mo sa Pilipinas. Hukay. Makasaya ka na. Hindi. Pag-isipan mabuti para, sa investment, para sa buhay mo na rin to. Ito na yung parang decision mo kung ano yung mangyayari sa buhay mo, kung saan ka hantong, saan ka pupulutin. So ako naman ito, retire na, wala na din ako nagtatrabaho. So ito yung mga free time ko na, yung mga ginagawa ko ngayon sa aking mga free time para sa mga ganitong event, mga ganitong presentation. So abang-abang lang kasi baka makapulot kayo ng aral o paano magkaroon ng property sa Pilipinas. Abang-abang. Ito, napupuno na. May pila na sa labas. Maraming dumating, more than dami, no? Dami kung may mga tao pa nakatayo. Naghihintay ng dalagat pa din yung dalawang ibon na pang Shaman ba? O pang nine chair na table. Yan, wedding tent. Mga 30 siguro yung nalalabas. 30 people kasi tatlong table yung sinetap nila eh. That's a lot for this is the coffee. Get coffee. Coffee is good because
The morning coffee.
no, you feel it right away.
They're getting
It gives you
coffee
the
now.
buzz. Yeah. Strong. So ayan. What to them guys?
Just in case we have something like property.
Where'd they go? It's a smoke. You smell cigarette on her? You smell cigarette on her? Do you smell cigarette on her? On her? The girl here. Do you smell cigarette on her?
2013.
Usually I can smell cigarette. But I don't know if she smokes. Maybe given up to smoke cigarette. you have to go to the first. Go down and go to the first one.
Later on, discuss namin. Ang project na discuss namin dyan, ang personally, kita na studio yung maganda. Kasi, may tama yung meron mga offices, meron din siya na commercial. Napakalaki ng area. It's 18 hectares. Kainta, malapit siya sa Ortigas, malapit sa Bridgetown, malapit sa Pasig. So, nakapaiputan siya ng mga major cities. So, when in terms of entry and exit point, madami din. For 2,000 members reservations, again, we can able to check the available rooms. Yeah, 1,000 members. And the monthly is like ranging from 4,000 to 15,000 per student. And if you like 2 bedroom or 1 bedroom, that will range to 20,000. Later on, for better appreciation, we're gonna discuss there. Ano na yung ating Gary? Sir and Gary. Magkasama na kayo. Nasa mo. So, basta ng isang kayo na. Text ko.
Long time to get coffee.
Huh?
It takes a long
Text ka
time
na
to
pala
get
eh.
coffee.
Text ka sa right na.
I can see the is there. Joseph, how are you, Joseph? You can get a drink too, huh? Liquor.
Yeah, there's nobody there.
Yeah, you can get a liquor over there. And then,
Put the beer, but there's nobody
by the
there.
time you know it, you bought 2. By the time you know it, after the year, by the time you know it, you bought 2 units already.
Don't forget to get this one and give it to your ate.
You bought 2 units.
Penthouse.
How's it called? Good, right? Huh? She looked really good. I was
Isang kuman.
ang tagal mo ng coffee. Yan, ang sarap ng kumain. need the sugar. May sugar pa doon, but we don't need the sugar. Huh?
Naiiyak ako kasi kapag nagpa-charge ako.
Hindi nag-charge sa akin, nagpa-charge ako, hindi nag-charge. Nag-charge. Kaya ka nakaka-addict.
Why not turn off? Even a wine or a case of beer ad, but it feels like I'm just kidding.
Promoting wine.
So, inuwi ko na.
Coffee in the morning, water in the afternoon, beer afternoon. Morning,
I'm sleepy after.
She drinks this way.
I can finish a whole bottle.
Yan, dami ng tao. At,
Ayaw mo ng ano ba? Anything? Makachita or something.
pero, siguro another hour bago mag-start. Kaya kumain muna sila. Ano may merong available na kakainin, magkape, habang nakikipag-warm up yung mga agent sa mga customer.
Tonight.
Wait.
Diba?
I say, good morning, everyone.
Oh, good morning. Yeah, we got that advice tip last night. So, good morning, everyone. And I just want to ask, who's excited to own a unit
White.
tonight? Who's excited to own a unit tonight? Ako lang. Ako. There we go.
Once again, welcome to Nova Town, our official venue for RLC residences. Exclusive property preview. I'm excited.
How about a big round of applause for that? Exclusive property preview. Of course, all our INPs are working really hard and showing you everything that you need to know. Yeah.
For anything else, we would like to introduce our
That's right.
MCs tonight.
Yeah, we will be your MCs tonight. My name is Jellicus from Wish USA.
And my name is DJ Ryan of Pinoy Vibes World. So thank you so much for
Good for having us again
for tonight.
for the second night. So yesterday was also fun. Yeah, we had ano sa dinner natin last night, right? And so many amazing information. And I'm looking forward for another some sort of dinner ulit tonight. So hindi mo nga nakapag-kusinta na. I'm just try the kusinta. It's so nice, right? May ma'am. Yeah.
Suman din isa tayo. Suman. So Filipino. So thank you so much. Magaling sila
That's great, yeah. And later on, I know everyone is waiting for dinner. Sino na gusto mag-dinner? Dinner? Who wants dinner?
Siyempre po, naganda naman talaga kayo. So bubusugin namin kayo para maging energetic tayo at siyempre ma-absorb natin lahat ng mga
Information.
yeah, yung mga review na bibigyan ng RS sa ating mamaya with our agents. Right?
Right. And a hot tip. So ito yung tip natin na last night. So yung mga gift representatives, please, listen carefully to all of our presenters because you'll never know. They might, ask some questions and give out some prizes. Diba, Ryan?
Just like yesterday, marami tayong mga prizes na pamigay. For sure, meron yan. So, always listen carefully.
Just a hot tip.
Yeah. Take down notes. May tip. And don't forget to sign up in our registration area outside for a chance. Kung paano makabilang sa
Nalasigaw ko gabi?
na gathering here sa
White House material events.
Okay.
I think we are ready for our video presentation for tonight. So here we go. Roll VDR.
Please watch this.
Presentation. We're missing the presentation.
Share a bali ha, one bedroom lang ha.
Mga kababayan. How do we take the first step to reaching new heights? It starts with our purpose, our unrelenting commitment to provide our customers with better choices, creating shared success with our stakeholders, our employees, business partners, communities, and shareholders. For more than 60 years, the Gokongwei Group has been creating products and providing services that invigorate the economy and uplift lives. Our story started in 1957 when John Gokongwei Jr. and his siblings established a cornstarch plant in Pasig. From our humble beginnings as a single product company, today the Gokongwei Group has evolved into a highly diversified conglomerate of market-leading businesses. From food and beverage, air transport, real estate, to banking and financial services, petrochemicals and LPG trading, to retail, motorcycle distribution, media, and integrated resorts, with strategic investments in telecommunications, power, logistics, airport operations, healthcare, quick service restaurants, and digital ventures. Grounded in our core values of an entrepreneurial mindset, integrity, and stewardship, we continue to stay at the forefront of discovering breakthroughs across vital industries that directly impact individuals every day. In our constant pursuit of transforming lives, we established the Gokongwei Brothers Foundation in 1992, dedicated to honing the skills of our youth, primarily in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, through the lasting gift of education. The desire to improve lives is what drives us to unlock new horizons and give everyone better choices, because we believe that in delivering innovation, we usher in growth and progress, that in leveraging digital technology, we can effectively respond and cater to people's evolving needs, that in living out our purpose, we create value for our customers, our stakeholders, and our nation. We are committed to fostering opportunities that lead to shared success, not just for the present, but also for future generations. This is how we reach new frontiers and ignite meaningful change, by sustaining and nurturing what we have right now, but also by being bold enough to disrupt the status quo and inspire continuous transformation. At the Gokongwei Group, we create meaningful breakthroughs that make life better.
For almost 3 decades, Robinsons Land Corporation has grown with you as an industry leader that continues to uphold its legacy in the property landscape, alongside its equally successful affiliates spread throughout the nation. As a subsidiary of one of the largest conglomerates in the Philippines, JG Summit Holdings Incorporated, Robinsons Land establishes competitive names in various industries that paved its way to becoming a trusted brand in the country. Today, a fresh perspective on Philippine real estate will take condo living to a whole new level with a bolder and stronger brand. RLC Residences is a brand that every family and young urban professional will be proud to own, allowing you to raise, live, connect. Immerse yourself with elevated lifestyle experiences, world-class design, and elegant living spaces that enrich everyday life. Experience meaningful digital solutions and innovations, spaces that work for you and your loved ones. A promise of quality that transcends everyday living. Swift connections that get you close to the action, empowering you with mobility that gives you an edge. All supportive of your quest to have a rewarding life and career. Among its extensive portfolio of prime residential developments, RLC Residences gives you the power to choose more than just an investment, but a home that lets you embrace the future with the people you share the journey with. RLC Residences raises the game and elevates lifestyle experiences, allowing you to live in the future with a balanced lifestyle, while connecting with people most important to you. To top it all, these award-winning developments are curated with you in mind to make city living worth pursuing. As we step into the new chapter, creating stronger and bolder selections of prime residential developments, we continue to look forth with the same enthusiasm that blossomed 3 decades ago. The same passion and determination that brought us to where we are now. As one RLC Residences, together, we invite you to embrace the future with RLC Residences.
And there you go. How about a big round of applause for that amazing presentation? All right. Once again, welcome.
Good evening, Johnny.
And good evening. All right.
Let's go on stage.
How's
How's everything doing? Good?
Good.
Excited?
Yes.
Yes,
There
we're
you
all
go.
excited to.
All right. So last night nga nabanggit natin, there's also a lot of fun that happened last night. But tonight it's such a full house. Abot na hanggang dito.
Yes, very successful. Congratulations.
Almost at the stage.
Let's give a big hand to all of you guys. Come on.
Turn up. So nice. And so, last night actually, so we were asking where they're from, traveled from, and a lot of them were from North York and Scarborough, right? So now, yeah, we would like to ask, let's see if the majority of our guests are also from North York. How about you guys? From this table 11, you traveled from where? Just 10 minutes away. 10 minutes away. So that's one for North York. Yes. How about everyone here saying? North York, alright.
Okay, go up here. Scarborough.
Scarborough. How about this table? Table 10. What are we representing? Markham. Markham here, alright.
How about you guys? Markham. Oh.
Wow. Palakpakan yung mga taga Markham. Alright. Markham din. New Market. Oh wow.
How about this?
New Market.
This group. From where? North York.
North York. How about you guys here? Table 6. Mississauga.
First floor. How about this? There you guys.
Saan po?
3 minutes away. 5 minutes, 10 minutes away.
I have you from Niagara. St. Patrick's. You two are Thank you so much. How about you?
How about here? 5 minutes away. 5 minutes away.
How was it?
Brampton.
North York then, North York. Downsview, there you go.
How about table number 1? Where are you guys from? Dubai.
Dubai. Uy, now.
Sold? Sold?
Saan po?
Philippines. Dubai sila.
Meron ba dito anyone here just, came from a vacation from the Philippines? Meron ba? Or yung aalis, magbabakasyon? Ayun, doon. Or someone from Facebook Live. Right?
Facebook Live, yeah. How about here? Scarborough.
Scarborough, there you go. There you go. How about let's give them a big round of applause for everyone. From Dubai to Niagara, Scarborough, North York, everyone.
And from our friends here in Spain, thank you and welcome to our event.
Yeah.
Where are you guys from?
Scarborough, yan. At marami pang pabarating. I know a lot of our IMPs are still waiting for some guests.
Meron pa tayo nunabot dito.
Yeah. Some of the Northwest Territories, why not?
Yellowknife.
Yellowknife. Wow, maganda. Yeah. Okay, but wherever you guys are, I'm sure I'm so excited for you because, seeing the video presentation that we had, it will give you like a sense of relief, to own a unit from RLC Residences. Because it's part of, the Gokong Way group of companies. They take pride, diba, sa taking care of course, of their clients and their residences.
That's the reason why, because Philippines is one of the best destination time. If you want to relax, to unwind, sa busy nating work, especially with the family, it's better to invest in the Philippines because Philippines got 7,000. What is that?
I thought you were no time.
Yeah, because it's different numbers. So yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know the numbers exactly.
Taga saan ka ba sa atin?
I'm from Manila, Quezon City.
Quezon City. Wow, me too. Quezon City. Wow, ayan.
Di ba halata?
Ay, Manila.
Manila.
If you were gonna get like a unit from RLC, gusto mo rin sa
Pasig na, Pasig. I have a lot of friends in Pasig, so
okay.
I know maganda yung building nila. Lapit sa
saan?
Sa Pasig itself, kasi doon ako sa Kapitolyo. Doon ako nag-work sa Kapitolyo.
Okay. Alam mo, doon din ako nag-work.
Sa mga meeting ko na kami, nag-guys ko kami, 8th floor, 16th floor ako, 8th floor ka. 5th floor.
Small world. And we found ourselves, here in Canada.
So we're in our radio station. Home radio, 97.9. Oo naman. Pero hindi ako pinanggap. Kasi hindi ako galing na mas.
Magkakaroon na lang tayo ng radio station dito. But there we go. So, from Canada to the Philippines, diba? I know everyone, it's everyone's dream. It's also my dream to own a property in the Philippines while I'm here. Sino may gusto rin nun? Who has that dream? To own a property in the Philippines while you're here in Canada. Taas ang kamay, taas!
Actually, 100%.
Oh my gosh!
It's 100%.
Yeah, 100%. Yan.
Iba pa rin pag umuwi. Sige, umuwi ng December dito.
Magpapasko?
Ay, December.
Papasko?
Oh, sabay-sabay tayo, ha? December, ha?
Ay, nagka-happy Christmas na rin kasi September na!
Hoy, tama! Eh, si Jerry, Jose Marisha! Sorry, wala pa. Oo. Yun nga, iba pa rin magpasisap ko. Kaya, sarap, di ba? With your loved ones, di ba, sa iyong own unit. Tapos, pagkakain nyo, pupunta na kayo sa pool, yung mga kids.
Yan. And also, kung wala ka naman doon, if you're not, you know, if you can come go to the Philippines for vacation and whatnot, pwede mo rin going business yun. You can turn it right, turn it into an Airbnb, ganyan.
Meron sila sa management nila, right?
Yeah.
Sila mismo mag-manage yung unit nyo if you want that way. May explain sa atin ng mga agents natin dahil marami silang, ano ba yun, explain para maging clear. If you have any questions, you can feel free to ask your agents dahil talagang 100% alam na alam nila yan.
Pero mga kabisado rin, and they have to learn these kasi there will be prizes. Right? There will be prizes to be given away later on. Yan. During their presentation.
They will stop and question.
But we'll be there for you to guide you guys. There you go. Saan ang ating mga IMPs here?
Yung ating mga agents, pwede po kayo tumayo para ma-recognize?
Tayo naman!
Palakpakan po natin ang ating mga agents.
Marketing partners, international marketing partners. Let's give them a big round of applause. There you go. They will be, we'll be talking to them later on, right? We'll be talking to them and they'll be giving us more information. Kanina, I see a lot of, discussions already. So, sino pa yung mga namumuro? Bingo! Bingo lang, bingo.
Pero sa ito pala, iba pa rin yung feeling talaga na pag-invest. Yun naman yun eh. Like,
An investment.
Yes, dahil marami naman, hindi lang naman sa Manila, meron sa Cebu, meron sa Pasig,
BGC. Bakit natin sa kanila, ano bang yung namimiss nila sa Philippines? How about here sa table na, what do you guys miss the most about the Philippines? Uy!
Mamaya mga
Don't worry, may mga Nightlife? Well, eto, BGC to, BGC. Ang ano niya. BGC ang unit dito. Oo. Baka anong nightlife daw yan, sir. How about here's the table man? What do you miss the most about the Philippines? Ha?
tricycle daw.
Tricycle. Kayo po, ano naman miss sa Philippines? Bibingka and go to home mo.
Actually, dito naman, ano mamimiss niyo sa Philippines?
Balot!
Food.
Balot!
Balot. Ano kasi sigaw?
Beach. Mga dagat daw.
Beach, ayan.
May mga beach pa tayo. Kaya mamaya may explain sa atin.
Do we have an RLC residence naman at beachfront?
Puerto Princesa, right? Yes.
Meron kaming project sa may Mactan, ang amisa namin. So meron po yung beachfront at syempre pwede nila gamitin ang Dusitani amenity kasi sa amin din yung Dusitani owned by the Gokongwei din as well.
Oh, diba?
Basta Gokongwei, talagang super high-class, world-class talaga.
Prince Stefan, everyone.
Celebrate po natin yan. Tapos yun.
Love it.
Ito, kayo po.
Five years.
When is the last time you visited the Philippines? More than 30 years. So now it's the time for you to go and there you go.
Kailan po kayo ng Pilipinas? Just 2 weeks ago, you said? Oh, that's nice. Ano ba mga pagbabago ngayon sa Pilipinas? Masasabi ko.
Please.
There's one flyover in the building that has been there sitting for 5 years. So my second time the same, third year, when before I know it, this year my fourth year. So start to build, and then when I left
RFP Tower 1 ng Anisa. Pero yung isang project namin for Mantawi Airport sa Mandawi. It's under construction. By 2020, one of our new project, high-end project.
Yes. So my point is, everywhere is development.
There you go.
Kung 2022 na po kami, there's a lot of flyovers. Easy access to all destinations. If you're going to Baguio, it will take like before it's 7 hours. Ngayon, mas shorter pa. Yeah, I went to Baler. I drove to Baler. Took me 12 hours to ride there before. But now it's 7 hours.
So the development is there, the progress is there, and connected with RLC now residences, they have like prime locations to these amazing developments in the Philippines.
6 months.
A lot more.
Jelly. Yeah, there's a lot more to discover because it's more fun in the Philippines.
Yeah.
Oh.
$80 authentic Caldeo that is built, and it's legal. I mean, it's legal.
Wala na bang patayan? Ano naman natin sila? Kasi sila sa Philippines.
Yeah. Nagkakasan naman isa. Ayan na, Pampanga. Pampangan. Yeah.
Saan po kayo sa Philippines?
Sa Pilipinas.
Bacolod.
Valenzuela. Nice.
Valenzuela, Bacolod. Philippines. Mindanao.
Bicol. Bicol! Mga Caragon! Dito!
Saan ka mo sa Bicol? Diet.
Yan. Pero ayan, from
Bicol.
Bicol, right from Bicol to Mindanao to Pampangan, parang masasarap yung mga food dyan, di ba? Talagang, well, everywhere you go naman the Philippines,
Actually, yung food na kami yun ngayon.
yun na nga eh. Go there. Ang ating food is
So,
ready for dinner.
naghihintay tayo
It's ready,
ng
palakpakan!
chance natin
It's ready!
makabili ng bahay kasi pila eh.
Okay, so para fair for everyone, we'll call your numbers randomly per table. Ayan. Kasi full house tayo ngayon, di ba? So, 90 tables tayo ngayon. Full and we're all here. Lagi natin, right? So, baka humaga masyado yung pila sa labas. So, we'll take turns. Okay, sige, start na tayo, no? Start na tayo with, sige, start tayo with number 6.
Okay, number 6. Table number 6.
You can go ahead.
You can proceed to the buffet area.
Woo! Yeah. Parang nanalo.
I know.
Nanalo. Woo! Number 6!
Followed by table number 16. Okay? Table number 16.
Followed by 16.
Tapos, so ngayon guys, magbubusog tayo about the Philippines, how to invest, and also sa food na ating isi-share ngayong gabi dito.
Thank you, Kuya Tito, sa Bebes. Oo, ito yung dalawa. Hindi na malalaki na yung binatan na. Matagal na ito.
Alright, I think our next table is ready. Table number 5. Table number 5. Proceed to the buffet area.
May hindi na makain tayo. Kunting munggo. Daming tao. Keep in mind, abang-abang lang. Aquino will be the main entertainment tonight. After the presentation. Abang-abang lang kasi mag-umpisa na yung program. Kung paano makakuha ng makakabili ng bahay, property, baka manalo ka ng kondo. Panuorin mo lang to. So, abang-abang lang guys, abang-abang lang. Kung paano mag-avail ng property sa Pilipinas.
well.
Thank you so much for a very sumptuous meal.
Were you able to get the choice, sir? The lomi.
Lomi, you like the lomi? Yes. It's really good.
Also, munggo. I love munggo.
You like munggo too? And I like the pancit.
Pancit.
Yeah, pancit.
And palabok.
In the salad.
Alright, so just muna tayo. Energy check lang tayo. Alright, so we already had our dinner. How about a big round of applause for everyone? Yes, we are ready to resume the rest of our program. There we go. And right now, we would like to ask a request for everyone to please stand for the national anthems of Philippines and Canada.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas. Hayang magiging sa sikatanan, harap ng puso sa dinig ko'y buhay. Upang hinirang huyagan ang magiging sa mandulubing, di ka masisingin sa kanalang tulong sa simoy at sa langit ang bagaw. Kailan ang mulakaw sa panayang inawakan, ang isang ng bumagaw at ko'y tagumpay marakinig. Pakituloy na para niya kailan pangay matitigil. Tuwan ang araw kang maraming magsikap, buhay natin sa Pilipinas. Ang ligaya ng pagkay pag-amin, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Please remain standing for the Canadian National Anthem. And now I would like to call Kizzy to lead the opening.
Let us put ourselves in the holy presence of God. As we gather here tonight for this exclusive property review, let us take a moment to center ourselves in gratitude and reflection. We are thankful for this opportunity to come together to share in the vision and possibilities that this event brings. We ask for wisdom and clarity as we explore those properties that we may see the potential they hold. May our conversations be filled with respect and understanding, and may this gathering foster connections that are meaningful and beneficial for all. We also extend our gratitude to those who have worked tirelessly to make this event possible. May their efforts be rewarded, and may all who participate feel welcomed and valued. Let us carry with us a spirit of openness, creativity, positivity, and open and goodwill throughout the evening. May this night be a fruitful and enjoyable experience for everyone. Thank you.
Please be seated. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Kizzy, and thank you, everyone. All right. Once again, yeah, thank you. Once again, we are your MCs for this evening. Welcome back, and we're going to be resuming the program. My name is Jolly Kiss.
My name is DJ Ryan.
That's right. And okay, so who's excited to hear more about RLC? Woo! That's right. Love that. Love the energy and all that. And right now, I believe we have some video presentations, and they're ready. So please roll the ER.
Cola.
Everything I know about parenting, I learned from my daughter. Because of her, I had to learn how to be funny. Because of her, I had to learn to be attentive. I learned a different kind of caring. I discovered a different kind of love. I was not sure how to be a father, but I became determined to provide her with all the happiness I could provide. I want to bring joy into her life, exactly like how she brings it into mine.
So I had to raise the game. Your dreams have always been the core of our foundation. For over 3 decades, we have been steadfast in our commitment to serve you with better choices, authenticity, and integrity. Mastering our craft involves understanding how you and your family can experience delightful moments every single time. Because it's about living the best life.
The decision was not made without hesitation. Was I really ready to take the plunge? So I did what any strong, independent woman would do these days. I searched online. And after seeing all the pictures, reading about other people's experiences, I decided to meet up with someone. He sounded so confident, and he made me feel very comfortable. But most importantly, what he showed me was just fantastic. So while I was still nervous about deciding, deep down I knew
this is a place worth calling home. A home that's smart and ready for your future. A beautiful home that you can be proud of. A happy place that welcomes you each and every day, allowing you to make deep and meaningful connections.
You could say that we are a family that lives on video calls. We have a digital home virtually connected by the internet, despite being very physically separated by an entire ocean. But to have a real home in a safe community, well, that has always been a dream. A dream that my husband and I agreed to make sacrifices for. So please forgive me if I'm a little bit emotional. But when I saw the unit being turned over to my family, I couldn't help but cry. Even from halfway across the world, it is an overwhelming feeling to
See your dreams come true. For us, this is a lifelong commitment. We are here to build the dream homes you envision. Welcome home to RLC Residences.
Maybe Heart of Evangelista would like to get. There you go. Yes, there she is.
Very popular model, actress in the Philippines.
Thought she wanted to make a live appearance, maybe. Who wants to be neighbors with Heart Evangelista? Huh? Because I do. Okay, just waiting to probably try it again in a bit. Let's talk to our guests for now.
Yeah, before that, welcome again everyone for the exclusive property preview here at Dove Hotel, our official venue for RLC.
Do you know which one is that? The one that Heart Evangelista was promoting a while ago?
Yeah.
Are you familiar with that one? Share, I believe so, yeah. Is that correct? No? Sige, Kizzy Evangelista.
Yes, Kizzy.
Oh, there she is. Let's try it again.
Tell me who's pointing the stage.
Raise, live, connect. RLC Residences.
There we go. Yeah. Okay. Glad to see you both video. Right. Let's give that a big round of applause. Giving you guys a preview of some minutes that RLC would offer and more. That's right. And to tell us more about it or to give us an opening remark, we would like to invite on stage RLC's Executive International Marketing Director.
Yes.
Let's call on Mr. Alvin Pua.
Thank you. Hello, good evening everyone. How are you? First of all, I would like to greet all of you an advance Happy Labor Day. Palakpakan natin mga kapatid. Mabuhay ang mga magkagawang Pilipino! Thank you. Thank you and congratulations because I know for a fact that Filipinos here are one of the most hard-working Filipino in Canada. Filipinos in Canada, di ba? Tama ba? Sige lang po, si Paglet, lang po ha. Work lang para may pampiling ng kondo. Seriously, you know when you invest in real properties in Manila or by sending your hard-earned dollars through cash remittances in the Philippines, you know this is a major boom. So maraming salamat sa pagtulong nyo sa bansang Pilipinas. Yes. Anyway, I am Alvin Pua. I am an Executive International Marketing Director from RLC Residences. I've been with the company for 11 years now. Our parent company is the Gokongwei Group. It is one of the biggest conglomerates in the Philippines. It is owned by the Gokongwei family, one of the richest families in the Philippines. Importante malaman niyan because you know when you invest your hard-earned money, syempre, ang gusto nyo dun sa isang reputable real estate developer, di ba? Again, it is my honor and privilege to welcome all of you to our exclusive property preview. Thank you for coming here tonight. So tonight we will present 4 of our newest projects which are very affordable. So alam ko some of you matagal nang to-contemplate of buying a property in the Philippines. So baka tonight is the best time to make that decision because tonight we are offering exclusive deals, promos and discounts na tonight lang namin i-offer. So together with me are my colleagues Team RLC Residences. Tayo ka kayo guys. Yan. So, they are our international property specialists. We were sent here by our company para to reach out to you. These people are the best of the best sa company namin. Mga magagaling yan. Very professional. So, congratulations in advance to all our future home buyers. Congrats to our event organizers led by Kuya Sani, Mr. Danilo Banuyo, the same man behind the ultra successful Taste of Manila, Canada. Last month. So guys, sit back and relax. We've prepared a nice program. Meron tayong food. Meron tayong live acoustic music mamaya. So, thank you all for coming and enjoy the rest of the evening. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you, Mr. Alvin Puma. There you go. Thank you so much. That was amazing.
I know.
Sense of relief to hear those amazing words from Mr. Alvin Puma. And now to give the first presentation, for our preview for Mira. Okay, let's watch this. The video. There you go, and to tell us more about Mira, let's call on Stefan and Kizzy.
Hello everyone, and how are you all doing tonight?
Good evening, everyone.
Hi guys, I'm Stefan Andresuelo Anacotan. I am your Premier International Property Specialist under Jayhawks of Team of Sir Alvin. I am phenomenal and I'm here with my gorgeous partner, Miss.
I'm Kizzy Aureliosa. I'm a Premier International Property Specialist. So I've been here with RLC for the past 7 years now. And we are really so happy to see all of you guys who took your time to just be here with us tonight for our property preview. So thank you so much.
Thank you for coming. Ako pala 3 years po, magpo 4 years. Sinabi kasi na 7 years, dapat idagdag ko yung akin. Okay, we can start now. Alright. So, ang product or endorser or ambassador namin is Art Evangelista. As you all know, she is a famous actress. Kasama ko siya sa Luna Mystica. At syempre, she is the wife of Senator. So, hindi po siya mag-endorse ng Mira at ng RLC or Robinsons. Hindi po ito reputable company. Partner?
And it's nice because she's not only our brand ambassador, but she also has a unit with us, with RLC Residences. So she has multiple properties under RLC Residences. Right. So yan, kung sino yung mga gustong maging neighbor si Heart, later we talk about it.
Ayan, more photos of Heart next, please. Ayan. So this is all Mira billboards po at mga, of course, promo photos namin. Next po. Ayan, ako na. Sige. So ang company namin is JG Summit. Noong si John Dockway pa ang founder namin at syempre siya pa yung namamahala dati. Pero ngayon po ay si Lance Dockway na ang aming CEO. So nag-rebrand po kaming Dockway Group. Partner?
Yes, so we are part of the Dockway Group, one of the largest conglomerates in the Philippines. So rest assured that you're really investing in a really big and trusted developer in the Philippines.
Ayan, next slide. So syempre, conglomerate means, of course, group of companies in one corporation. Ang dami po namin subsidiaries and of course shareholdings katulad ng, of course, RLC Residences, Cebu Pacific. We have our own bank, in-house bank, Robinsons Bank, Petrochemicals, at kung nakikita niyo po ito sa Seafood City, ito po yung Chippy, Jack and Jill, Max, Great Taste Coffee. So makikita niyo po ng company po is very stable. Partner?
Yes, so we have business interests not only in real estate. But we also have banking, Robinsons Bank. We also have Universal Robina. We have also petrochemicals, JG Summit, Alkins Corporation. So aside from that, we also have hotels and resorts.
Yes.
Westin Hotels, Yusitani, Crown Plaza, and Holiday Inn, Abensan, Uncle John.
PLDT. Of course, Robinson's Malls. We have malls nationwide from Luzon to Mindanao po yan. At syempre, may Meralco kami, Summit Media, and Sun Cellular next. Alright, let's go to our project, Mira. Palapakan muna natin ang Mira.
So welcome to Mira.
Of course.
This is our pre-selling project right now. So we just launched the first tower last year, and now we just
sold
launched.
Out.
Yes,
Yeah.
it was sold out already. That's why we launched the tower. So you really know how hot our buyers are buying properties back home, and at the same time, they really know that this project is a nice project to invest.
Yes.
Whether it be family or for investment, this is the perfect, one of the best projects to buy right now in the Philippines.
Alright. So, Mira means admirable. Yung titignan mo talaga siya. Kita nyo may crown siya. Tapos, Mira means sunflower. Mag-take down notes kayo ha. May quiz tayo later. May raffle po, raffle prizes. At syempre, ibig din po sabihin po niya is ruler. So, next slide po. Alright, so pag nag-invest po kayo, importante po talaga ang location. Sabi po ng ating, of course, ex-president. Pwede po maging president ulit, si Mr. Trump. Location, kasi naging real estate din po siyang agent. So, ang ating location po is in Cubao, the gateway of the North. Pag pupunta ka ng probinsya, Pampanga, doon sa may Bataan, sa may Bulacan, sa may Baguio, dadaan ka ng Cubao. Pag pupunta ka dito sa may, of course, Green Hills, Ortigas, dito sa may, of course, Marikina, BGC, Makati, dadaan ka pa rin ng Cubao. So Cubao is the center. Ang tawag nila dyan is the gateway of the North. Ayan. Sige.
As what you said, location is really, really important. It's one of the factors that will determine the price appreciation of your properties later on. So this one, it's easily accessible to major transportation hubs in the Philippines. So LRT, MRT stations, subways. So this is also nearby the Grand Terminal Station sa Quezon City. And what's nice about it is this is also really near, I don't know if you're familiar, but this is near the Araneta Coliseum.
Yes! Kung saan ang mga malls, katulad ng Shopwise, doon ako nakatira sa Pitoasan. So, nandun ang Alimol, yung ating farmers, Gateway 1, may Gateway 2 na, at syempre SM Cubao and Alimol. Ayan.
So it's really, really perfect.
Alright, next slide. Alright, kung himayin natin, nasa mismong Mirasol po siya, at 20th Avenue. At syempre nandun po Aurora Boulevard kung saan po ating LRT. So very convenient po ito, malapit po sa main road at madali po kayo makapunta sa kung saan destination nyo po gusto puntahan sa May Manila. Next. Amenities.
So this is really, really also one of the things that I consider when it comes to investing in a property. Because amenities, with RLT, it's really nice because they really offer how many amenities ba for this one, for Mira Residences. There's a lot of amenities that you can enjoy, not only pool, not only gym, but there's a lot. So,
alright, himayin natin. Pag English po siya, foreigners, you can rely on her with the English. I'm lacking in that department. So any Tagalog, I'm here for you. So we have two, of course, premier property specialists. Our site development plan is we have 4 towers. And of course, sa fifth floor po natin, meron po tayong amenity. At syempre lahat po ng towers natin, meron pong sky garden and sky deck na pwede po kayo mag-chill, magpahinga, at syempre mag-view po ng Metro Manila skyline in the afternoon. Next. Alright.
So this is a drop-off area, as you notice. Sobrang ganda kasi you don't just drop off sa main highway. There's really a private drop-off area for Mira.
Para na siyang hotel. Next.
And this is the lobby. So what's nice about RLC again, most of your properties, lobby pa lang. Para ka nang nasa hotel. It's really hotel vibes, high ceiling.
Yes.
And at the same time, for this project, meron tayong lounge.
Okay, ang design muna niya, importante to. Yung design po ng aming, of course, Mira, is Nordic. Ito po yung mga design sa Sweden, of course, sa Europe. So, tandaan niyo po yung Nordic po ha, yun po yung design ng aming condominium. Alright. So next slide.
So this is the lounge. As you enter the property, this is what you will see, the lounge. And aside from that, we also have what we call the moon lounge. So ito naman, the moon lounge is actually more private. So if you have guests and you don't feel like bringing them over to your unit, they can just chill, you can talk to them, you can have meetings. Like sa mismo moon lounge. So that's how it looks like.
So ito po yung moon lounge namin. Tandaan niyo po yung moon lounge.
Tandaan niyo po yan para sa ano later.
Alright, next slide please. Moon lounge. Alright, the moon lounge is this one. So this is more intimate. If you have family members coming, visiting, you can entertain them here. Kung ayaw niyo po sa pinaka-unit niyo kaagad. Next slide. Meron tayong mga Wi-Fi lounge at syempre Wi-Fi room. Pwede kayo mag-Zoom. Of course, mag-meeting po sa mga katrabaho niyo po.
So this is what we call the residence lounge. Parang this is like an extension of your unit. Again, if you wanna have if you have gatherings, intimate gatherings with your family or friends, again, you can bring them over here.
Right. Next. Alright, we have 4 elevators. Isa pong service elevator. Ano ba yun? Para po yun sa mga gamit. Sir, for the English. It's for the furnitures and the appliances that will be in a service elevator. O, diba? Nawala ako doon, guys. And for the 3 passengers elevator, passengers means human being. Okay? Alright. Next. Alright.
So this is the artist's perspective of our amenity area. So as you can see, it feels like you're at a resort. So there's a lot of open spaces for Mira. It has a lap pool, kiddie pool,
leisure pool. Correct.
So ang dami nating pool dyan.
Ano? Sige, next. Alright, this is the leisure pool. Next.
The gazebo.
Yeah. So we have here the outdoor play area. So we have here the exercise area. If you want to do your, what we call this, planking, your push-ups, like that, or warm up in the afternoon. And we have here the pet park. Next slide.
So this is a pet-friendly project.
Correct. Ayan, next slide. Yan, yung pet park natin. Pwede po magkaaso dito. Ayan, next. Alright.
This is a glamping nook. This is also really unique because you don't really see this from other developers. Or
I think this is the first one.
Yes. So it's nice because you don't really need to go out anymore. Nasa unit nila, nasa tower nila lahat ng kailangan nyo.
Yeah.
Everything is just within your reach.
Pwede kayo dito mag-fellowship, mag-gathering in the afternoon, eat your snack like picnic, mga ganyan. Sige, next. Alright.
This is the gym. See, so nice. Hindi pa kailangan lumabas.
Hindi na kailangan mag-membership sa Anytime Fitness. Alright, next. Alright. So this is our multi-purpose court. So what does that mean? Ibig sabihin po nun, magtagalog na po. Napapanya na ako. Ang ibig sabihin po ng multi-purpose court, pwede po mag-badminton, mag-volleyball, pwede po dito mag-basketball. So ang tawag po dito is playground. Ano po yun? Tandaan niyo po yun, ha?
The playground.
Oo, yung mga sinabi ko kanina. So ito po yung pinaka-indoor amenity natin. So anong meron dito? Next. Alright.
So we have the jogging trail. Imagine, you can jog from the comfort of your, building. If it's gonna rain, you don't need to go out. Actually, dito na.
Yes.
You can do your workout mismo sa building na.
Bago ka mag-basketball or mag-workout, mag-warm up ka muna. Anong meron dito sa mga doors dyan? Sige, next. Alright.
So this is a dance studio. Again, this is really unique kasi nga, hindi niyo siya usually nakikita sa ibang developers. What you usually see is the pool, the gym, but for RLC, sobrang generous talaga magbigay ng RLC ng mga amenities. Kaya yun yung gusto ko.
Alright. Next. So we also have here the Pilates room, stretching room, at syempre next. Ayan, mga function rooms natin. Pwede ka dito mag-help ng Christmas party, corporate events, dibo po ng anak niyo, birthdays. Ayan, may mga minimal payments na naman po to. Pero po, mas mahal po pag nag-rent po kayo sa mga venues po sa labas. So why not dito na lang po sa mismong condominium ninyo mag-help ng mga events at mga parties po ng inyong family. Ayan, next.
So this is the kids play area. So So if may mga kids, may mga pamangkin kayo na pupunta sa unit nyo, you can just bring them over here.
Next.
We also have a learning...
Alright. So, na-entice ba kayo sa amenities? Are you enticed with our amenities? Yes, it's called hyper-size amenity. So what is it called? So what is, let me do my English. So, if you really hear me earlier, what did I say the name of the basketball area and the amenity area, the indoor basketball court? Ah, they're all listening. Oh, good. They're all listening. All right. Next, binubuhay ko lang po kayo. Oh, sige po, next. Sister?
So, what's nice again with RLC is we only offer low density. What does it mean to have a low density units? Meaning, we don't really have a lot of units per floor. So, konti-konti lang kami per floor. That's why also, sobrang laki ng mga sizes ng units namin. So, you can compare the size of our studio to a one-bedroom unit sa other developers. Kaya talagang mas malaki siya, mas more generous yung space.
Alright. For the higher floors, sige, next slide, sir. Ayan. So, sa higher floors natin, as you can see, wala na pong studio. Puro na pong malalaking cuts dito. Next po, imayin ko na pong studio. Okay. So, ang studio namin is 26.50 square meters. So pagpasok nyo po, ito po yung ating area ng kitchen area. Ito po yung induction, ito po yung ating, of course, yung sink, provision for the refrigerator, of course, yung dining, yung provision for the bed, we have an aircon provision here, and we have a washing and drying provision, and of course, your toilet and bathroom. This is overall 26.50 square meters, mas malaki po ito sa ibang studio unit ng ibang developers. Next.
So that's the bedroom. So for our 2-bedroom unit, we have a decent size kasi it's 53 square meter. So for this one, we have a pantry cabinet already. We have glass shower enclosure. So these are our deliverables. And what's nice about our units is it's already smart home feature. Meaning, yung mga lock ng doors nyo, it's already smart lock. You can access it via fingerprint, via code, or via your phone.
Yes.
So, ganun na siya, yung mga units natin ngayon sa Philippines.
Alright, next. So this is the photos of our 2-bedroom without balcony. Next. Okay, that's the low zone provision. Next. That's the bedroom. Next. Alright, ito po yung bago namin. So pwede po itong lalagyan ng detergent, fabricon, at dito po tayo magsasampay kung may mga basapat kasi nandito po sa baba niya ang washing and drying. Alright, next. Alright, sister?
So, for the 1-bedroom with balcony, it's 36 square meters po. So, if you compare it to other developers, mas decent size yung size ng 1-bedroom namin. It's the same thing. For the next slide. So, this is how it looks like. Maganda siya. This is perfect for young professionals or even starting family. So, yeah. If you want to invest with 1-bedroom unit, you can talk to your property specialist later. So for the 2-bedroom,
next. Alright, for the 2-bedroom unit, this is overall, of course, 72 plus the balcony. Siguro po mga 78 square meters. So pagpasok nyo po, ito po yung area ng ating kitchen. Meron pa tayong utility room. Of course, yung dining and living. Access po sa inyong balcony. Ito po yung ating aircon provision. Yung ating guest room, may access po dun sa ating service toilet and bath for everybody to use. At syempre, for your guests, kung gusto nyo po siya iparent. At syempre, dito po sa ating masters, meron po tayong sarili natin toilet and bath. May mga closet na po ito, smart home device feature at mga work from home provisions. Next.
Yung maganda dyan is it actually has a utility area. So yung utility area, you can actually convert it as another bedroom. So utility area means quarter. So parang magiging 3-bedroom siya. Kasi there's another, washer and dryer sa mismong utility room. So, ganun siya. It's really, really nice.
Yeah. Okay, next. Okay, that's the living room, dining. Next.
So yan na yun.
Yeah.
Sobrang ganda. So this is again perfect
Next.
for mga families na who really wants to either have an investment
Ayan.
or
Thank you.
End use.
Ayan, thank you guys. Outro message. Yeah, so everybody wants to invest Mira. Mira is our new project in Cubao. So Cubao is the center, of course, of Quezon City, the gateway of the North. So thank you all for coming. I am Prince Stefan, and this is my partner, Kisel Jorelio.
Thank you again so much. So sa mga interested bumili, you can again talk to your property specialist.
All right.
Alright. You want to have a surprise? Alright. We have a quiz right now. So hopefully jot down all the things that you need to remember. Okay.
So for the first question,
Are you guys ready?
did you take down notes?
Did you guys listen? All right, our first question, sister.
What interior design style was utilized for Mira? Characterized by the simple...
Yay, they all listen!
They all listen! Hindi ba tapos yung question?
I know! Pero paano tayo mamimili?
How do we pick? Okay, sige, we'll just go around. Ito ngayon ang question, who will we pick? I feel like they all very attentive.
Okay, Charlie, you choose first.
Oh my gosh, no. Okay, sige, I'll just like say when.
Walang bias, ha?
Stop! Alright.
30 years na hindi nakaka-okay yan, ha?
Do you know the answer?
Nordic design.
Oh, wow! Great!
Correct?
Congratulations! You have a gift certificate from No Frills. That's right. For $50 Canadian.
Wow!
So, kanina nyo guys, naman yung questions. There's
Oh, diba?
No Frills.
Okay, I have another one here.
All right.
Ready?
The next question is...
Next question, guys. Next question.
Ready? All right. What is the name of Mira's multi-purpose half-court, perfect for ultimate bonding experience of the unit owners, family, and friends? Ano yun, guys?
Okay, here we go. Okay.
Hindi ko na bahala. Sasara, ang bulaklak, pupuka, ang bulaklak. Alright?
Wala.
Moon? No.
Hey, go. Spin the wheel.
Tita, invite pa naman kita, tita.
Say stop, Brian! Say stop!
Stop! Wait. Yeah.
Sama?
Yeah, okay na.
Wag na, naka-picture. Sorry, naka-picture.
Picture. Okay, boss. What's the answer? Playground.
Yeah! All right, thank you guys. Love you. Thank you for coming.
Congratulations.
And then guys, so we great sport.
And now let's proceed with our
With our next presentation,
Share
thank
up.
you Stefan and Kizzy. Palakpakan natin sa Stefan.
Yes.
And Kizzy doing an amazing presentation.
And now let's watch the Sierra Valley video.
Sierra Valley. Roll video.